You are cornered. Your pieces have fallen one by one. The queen, the knights, the rooks on the board seems lost. But then you look at the king, calm, serene, still standing, and you remember that as long as he is alive, nothing is decided. You take a step, just one, and that small move changes the whole game. Chess is one of the oldest and most valued games in the world. A duel of intelligence, strategy, and planning, where each piece plays a special role. But there is one that changes everything: the king. Technically, the king is a slow but flexible piece. It moves only one square in any direction, forward, backward, sideways, or diagonally. And although its mobility seems limited, its influence is enormous. It does not have a fixed numerical value like the other pieces, because if the king falls, the game ends. That is why its value is considered infinite. The king has 8 possible moves, as long as the squares it wants to move to are not occupied by its own pieces or under enemy attack. Strategically, the role of the king changes depending on the stage of the game. In the opening, your priority is to keep it safe. Castle it early, do not expose it, and avoid weakening the pawns that protect it. In the middle game, the king must remain safe and still. It is not yet time to use it for attacking, but its position influences defense and board control. In the endgame, the king transforms into an attacking piece. With fewer pieces, the danger decreases and its presence becomes decisive. An active king can support its pawns, block the opponent's path, and force promotion. Grandmasters say the active king wins endgames. Protect it at the start, guide it wisely in the middle game, and let it lead your army in the end. Because in chess, as in life, a single move by the king can decide victory. If you want to know how to use the king in the best possible way and defeat all your opponents, don't hesitate to subscribe to BlackChess Academy. The link is in the description.